Hi friends, welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning app. We are going to provide you support for IIT, JEE, NEET, UGC, then SSC exams, MPSC, UPSC class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th also. You can ace your final exams with Unacademy Plus subscription. So Unacademy Plus subscription is at flat 10% off discount. So, dear learners, welcome to the class. I am Trupti Deshmukh. I have done my Masters of Computer Engineering. So, I am going to teach you subjects like C, C++, C Sharp, ASP.NET, programming in Python, as well as I am going to teach you the subjects like information technology for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also computer science for class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. So, please वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें. So students, let's get started with the today's lecture. So the next thing is Unacademy's awesome special classes. Yes, we are having the live real-time interactions using chats and emojis. Yes, Unacademy के जो हमारे स्पेशल क्लासेस है वहाँ पर आप लोग लाइव रियल टाइम इंटरेक्शन कर सकते हैं by using chats and emojis. Yes, obviously you are going to have poll leaderboards and you can compete with your friends also. वहाँ पर कुछ polls हो गए leaderboards. So उसमें क्या होगा, आपकी पढ़ाई की पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी and yes you will have the fun with learning. And the next feature of these special classes is you can ask questions using the question tab. You can see the screenshots here. The question, you can type your questions related to the subject and directly send to the teacher also. So ये हमारे Unacademy के some of the special classes के features है. That is, you are going to have live real time interaction using the chat and emojis. Then you can have the live quiz through pros. So pro leaderboards में आप लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? You can have the competition with your friends also, and you can ask the questions using the question tab also. Then next, how to watch these special classes also. देखिए आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, पहले यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो लर्नर ऐप जो है डायरेक्टली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो टू दी गूगल प्ले स्टोर, और आपका अगर एप्पल का है तो यू कैन हैव दी एप्पल स्टोर ऑल्सो. सो वहाँ पर आप लोग अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप के लिए सर्च कीजिए एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दी अनअकैडमी लर्नर ऐप. देन इंस्टॉल इट, डाउनलोड कर. वहाँ पर आप लोग क्या करेंगे, ओपन दी ऐप एंड क्लिक ऑन गेट स्टार्टेड. ठीक है, आपका ऐप ओपन हो जाएगा. Then next step is you have to enter your mobile number and OTP. आपका जो करंट मोबाइल नंबर है आपको यूज करना है. then you will get one OTP and based on that OTP you are going to sign up using the email ID. So next step is you have to enter your full name, then your mobile number will be already registered. Then enter your email address and state of the register. So this is the step to watch the special classes. That's the last step is sign up using the email ID. First one, download the Unacademy Learner app, then open the app and click on get started. Then enter your number, that is mobile number and OTP, and lastly sign up using the email ID. Then next step is that is select the classes from class 6 to class 12. It is what goal you are preparing for. The you can select for the competitive exams, as well as if you are going for the class CBC classes 6 to class 12, you can go for that also. ठीक है, CBC क्लास 6 to 12 आप लोगों ने सेलेक्ट कर लिया. उसके बाद आपके डिफरेंट क्लासेस आएंगे, क्लास 6 to class 12 एंड आल्सो द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर. देन आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट योर ओन क्लास. देन नेक्स्ट, विच लैंग्वेज यू वुड प्रिफर टू लर्न, कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करें. सो यहाँ पर सेलेक्ट योर प्रिफर्ड लैंग्वेज. सो यू कैन यूज इंग्लिश, हिंदी, और हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, both mixed. Then next what you are going to do, go to the description of this video, the video which I am playing now, and click on the special class link. यहाँ पर special class की जो link है वहाँ पर आप लोग चाहिए. Then click on notify me and you will get denotified 10 minutes before the class begins. And you can use the code to unlock the special classes for free. So friends, what we will study today, we are going to study today's topic, that is workplace safety, of which we were seeing some of the basic fire safety rules. सो हम लोगों ने अब तक देखा इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द वर्क प्लेस सेफ्टी, देन जनरल ऑफिस सेफ्टी, देन फॉल्स एंड स्लिप प्रिवेंशन गाइडलाइंस। उसके बाद हम लोग देख रहे थे बेसिक फायर सेफ्टी रूल्स। सो नाउ वी विल सी, हम लोगों ने लास्ट लेक्चर में देखा भी दैट इज व्हाट आर द सम बेसिक फायर सेफ्टी रूल्स। Here is some of the fire safety rules. Then the next point which we are going to study is fire response guidelines. अब तक हम लोग ने देखा फायर सेफ्टी रूल्स क्या है, अभी हम लोग देखेंगे फायर रिस्पॉन्स गाइडलाइंस। दैट इज अगर बाय डिफॉल्ट सारे प्रिकॉशंस लेने के बाद भी कभी कभी एक्सीडेंटली फायर जो है लग जाती है, दैट इज देन हाउ टू रिस्पॉन्स मीन इफ द फायर कैचेस। दैट इज इफ यू सी a fire or smoke, or if you smell smoke, then complete these steps like, so first one is the leave whatever you are doing. So first one is आप लोग जो कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो प्लीज उसको छोड़ दे अगर आप लोगों ने आग देखी तो। Then next one is the vacate the room through the nearest exit. ठीक है, जहां पर आग लगी दैट इज वैकेट द रूम थ्रू नियरेस्ट एग्जिट। सो वहां पर नियरेस्ट एग्जिट कहां पर है वो देखकर वैकेट दैट रूम। देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द क्लोज द डोर behind you but don't lock it. That is close the door behind you but don't lock it. So आपके पीछे का दरवाजा है वो बंद कीजिए but don't lock it, उसको लॉक ना करिए। Then next one is the activate the fire alarm and begin evacuation of the building. So activate the fire alarm first and begin the evacuation of the building. So यहाँ पर आपको fire alarm active करना है and start evacuating the building. Then fifth one is if you are not in immediate danger, then call the fire department emergency number. At 101. Likewise, आपके पास अगर टाइम है, that is if you are having some time and if you are not in immediate danger, then call the fire department emergency number, that is 101. And next one is if you are formally trained in firefighting techniques and are not in immediate danger, then you may attempt to fight the fire using a fire extinguisher. देखिए आपकी अगर फायर फाइटिंग की कुछ टेक्निक्स आपको ट्रेन किए होंगे, दैट इज इफ यू आर फॉर्मली ट्रेन्ड अबाउट द फायर फाइटिंग टेक्निक्स and you are not in an immediate danger, then you may attempt to fight the fire using a fire extinguisher. So just try to attempt the fire using the fire extinguisher. However, do not place yourself or others in unnecessary danger. तो just इस बात का ध्यान रखें, that is, do not place yourself or others in unnecessary dangers. This point is also important. The next one is exit the building by following posted evacuation routes and do not use elevators during a fire emergency. So exit the building by following the posted evacuation routes and do not use the elevators during a fire emergency. So these are some of the fire response guidelines. Now we will see that is how to use the fire extinguisher. ठीक है, सो अभी फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर का हम लोग यूज कैसे करना है वो देखेंगे. दैट इज द बेसिक स्टेप्स फॉर ऑपरेटिंग a typical fire extinguisher. Can be best remembered by acronym PASS, where P stands for pull out the safety pin. Then A stands for aim, or we can call it as the arm also, that is acute. What we can say, actuate. Then S stands for squeeze. The operating levers. They squeeze the operating levers, and then next S stands for spray at the bottom of fire. So in this way, that is by remembering the phrase, that is PASS, we can use the fire extinguisher. So here PASS, that is P stands for the pull out the safety pin, then A stands for the aim or arm actuate, the S stands for squeeze the operating lever, and S stands for spray at the bottom of the fire. So in general, there are 3 methods of extinguishing fire, and they are, so first one method is cooling. So cooling is that this is done so as to eliminate one of the elements of fire which is heat, and it can be achieved by use of water or sand. The next step is smoothing. So this process helps to eliminate air, that is oxygen, and it can be done by use of blanket or foam extinguishers. Then third one is starvation. So this is the process of cutting out the fuel supply so as to arrest the fire. So first one is क्या देखिए पहली step क्या है cooling. So there are three methods of extinguishing fire. First one is cooling. So this is done so as to eliminate one of the elements of fire, which is heat, and it can be achieved by using the water or sand. So you can use the water or sand for that. Then smoothing, this process helps to eliminate air, I think oxygen. It can be done by using the blanket or the foam extinguishers. And third one is the starvation. So this is the process of cutting out the fuel supply so as to arrest the fire. So in this way, there are some general guidelines, methods for extinguishing the fires. That is cooling. Then next one is the smoothing, and third one is the starvation. So let us now move towards this steps. Next step, that is electrical safety rules. So at workplace, one should follow the guidelines for general electrical safety. So first one is be familiar with the electrical hazards associated with your workspace. So अपने workspace में कौन कौन से electrical hazards है उनकी जानकारी ले ले. Then next one is the don't use that is what we can say damaged electrical items or items with damaged cords. So do not use the damaged electrical items or damaged cords का भी इस्तेमाल ना करें. Then next one is the unplug the electrical equipment before repairing or servicing it. अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट आपको उसका सर्विसिंग करना है या फिर उसको रिपेयर करना है तो अनप्लग कीजिए. Then next one is if a prong breaks off inside an outlet, then do not attempt to remove it yourself. That is, call or report to authorized person for assistance. Then next one is the ensure that outlets are firmly mounted. So outlets जो है वो firmly mounted है या नहीं उसका please assurance करके ले. Then report the loose outlets to the authorized person. Then next one is the report all technical problems and all the electrical problems including the trip breakers, then broken switches and flickering lights to the authorized person. Then do not use the appliances that sparks, smokes or becomes excessively hot, and unless the appliance is specifically designed to exhibit these characteristics. Then what we can say that it do not use the electrical items with wet hands or near the water. Then keep the electrical equipment away from the water unless the appliance is specifically designed for use around the water, such as wet dry shop vacuums. Then use GFCs whenever possible. So GFCs are nothing but the ground fault circuit interrupter, which detects the grounding problems and shuts electricity off to prevent a possible accident. Then plug in high watt appliances only after considering the load. So there should be mock fire safety drills and electrical safety drills which are carried out from time to time. So there are some do's and don'ts regarding the electrical safety rules. We will see that. क्या करें और क्या नहीं करें, दैट इज सील all unused electrical outlets, then discard or repair electrical items that have damaged cords. Then next one, before repairing any electrical appliance, remember to unplug it. Then next one, plug in only one high watt appliance at a time to avoid overloading it. ठीक है, देखिए फर्स्ट वन इज सील ऑल अनयूज्ड इलेक्ट्रिकल आउटलेट्स, सारे अनयूज्ड इलेक्ट्रिकल आउटलेट्स जो है उनको सील करें. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द डिस्कार्ड और रिपेयर इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम्स दैट हैव डैमेज्ड कॉर्ड्स. कुछ ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम्स है जो रिपेयर नहीं हो सकती, या फिर उसको रिपेयर कीजिए या फिर उसको फेंक दे, दैट इज डू नॉट यूज. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द बिफोर रिपेयरिंग एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम रिमेंबर टू अनप्लग. अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम आप उसको रिपेयर के इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज अनप्लग इट. देन प्लग इन ओनली वन हाई वाट अप्लायंस एट अ टाइम एंड अवॉइड ओवरलोडिंग. अगर आप ज्यादा हाई वाट अप्लायंसेस यूज करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सो जस्ट यू प्लग इन ओनली वन हाई वाट अप्लायंस एट अ टाइम टू अवॉइड द ओवरलोडिंग. देन what are the don'ts? So that is pull a plug out with its cord. So कभी भी प्लग जो है आप उसके कॉर्ड के साथ पुल ना करें. Then tuck electrical appliances with wet hands. Then next one is put fingers or metallic object in electrical outlets. Then fourth one is use any kind of electrical appliances close to the water. Okay, these are some of the don'ts you do not do while you are using the electrical appliance. That is, pull a plug out with its cord. Then tough electrical appliances with wet hands. Then put fingers or metallic objects in electrical outlets, and use any kind of electrical appliances which are close to the water. So friends, let us now start with some of the today's quiz session. So let's get started with that. So friends, today आज का क्विज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. So today's IT quiz, आज के क्विज में total 20 questions will be there. And each question will be having 1 minute. So let's get started. So here is question number 1 on your screen. A company should have at least dash exit rules for proper evacuation during an emergency. Your options are A1, B2, C4 and D, none of the above. So your time starts now. टाइम अप. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी 2. देखिए कंपनी के पास एटलीस्ट 2 एग्जिट रूट्स होने चाहिए फॉर प्रॉपर इवैक्यूएशन ड्यूरिंग एन emergency. So here is the question number 2 on your screen. If you need to call 100, that is 100 or 112 in an emergency, what should you tell the dispatcher? First one, A, describe the emergency. B, give exact address of emergency. C, give your name and telephone number of the phone you are using. And D, all of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is B. Give exact address of emergency. Okay, if you are going to describe the emergency, you are going to give your number and telephone number. It will be the wastage of time. And in emergency, each and every minute and second is important. So correct answer is आपको क्या करना है? Give the exact address of the emergency. Then question number 3 is on your screen. The employer or the company is responsible for administrating and managing workplace safety steps. True or false? Your time starts now. टाइम अप. यस, एक कंपनी के यानी कि एक एम्प्लॉय की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो वर्क प्लेस सेफ्टी स्टेप्स जो है प्रॉपरली मैनेज करे. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, ट्रू. Then question number 4 is here on your screen. Which of the following should be included at your home for first aid kit? Options are A, hydrogen peroxide, B, aspirin, C, calamine lotion, and lastly all of the above. So your time starts now. टाइम अप. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जी हाँ, आपके फर्स्ट एड किट में जो घर पर आप लोग फर्स्ट एड किट यूज़ करते हैं यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, एस्पिरिन और कैलेमाइन लोशन, ये तीनों चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. Then we will move towards the next question, that is question number 5. Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. True or false? Your correct answer waiting and time started. Yes, it is correct that Bhopal gas tragedy was happened due to lack of safety measures. बहुत ही बड़ा हादसा था ये वहाँ पर. Near about 15,000 to 20,000 animals and human beings were suffered from this, and the death rate was also very high. So it was happened due to the lack of safety measures. Then question number 6, that is, it is okay to keep one password for all your accounts. So answers are A true, B false. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B false. That is, it is not okay to keep one password for all your accounts. That is, if one account is getting hacked, then your all password will be there to hackers. And question number 7, that is, we should prefer private browsing mode. True or false? Your time starts now. So it is true that we should prefer private browsing modes to have the safety features. Then the question number 8, antiviruses help you to get rid of viruses. True or false? Yes, obviously it is true that antiviruses helps you to get rid of viruses. Then the question number 9 is on your screen. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. The act of buying an item online is called as A. E-shopping. Then we will move towards the next question. A person who writes a blog is called as A. Blog, B. Blogger, C. Blogging, and D. Blogosphere. So your time starts now. A person who writes a blog is called as the blogger. B. Blogger is the correct answer. And question number 11 is here on screen. Out of the following, which is or are the components of an email? A. Username, B. Domain, C. @ and D. All of the above. So your time starts now. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. जी हाँ, ये सारे कंपोनेंट के सिवाय, जब 3 कंपोनेंट्स के सिवाय ईमेल आईडी कंप्लीट होता ही नहीं है. दैट इज यूजर नेम इज कंपल्सरी, डोमेन नेम इज कंपल्सरी, एंड @ इज कंपल्सरी. दैट इज फॉर्मेट इज यूजर नेम @ domain name. So all of these components are necessary for email. Then question number 12 is here on this screen. What are the types of wireless connection? A. Wi-Fi, B. WiMAX, C. both A and B, and D. none of the above. So your time starts now. So both Wi-Fi and WiMAX are the types of wireless connection. So correct option is C, both A and B. Then the question number 13 is here on screen. Wi-Fi hotspots are totally secure to use. True or false? Time starts now. Obviously, the correct answer is B. False. Wi-Fi hotspots are not secure to use. The next question is that is wireless router doesn't require ISP. True or false? Your time starts now. It is obviously false that wireless routers doesn't require ISP. It requires actually ISP. The next question is what is DSL? A is digital system line, B digital subscriber line, C differential system line link, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So DSL stands for B डिजिटल सब्सक्राइबर लाइन जो कि इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी के लिए यूज की जाती है. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. व्हाट इज ISP? Options are A internet system provider, B internet service provider, C instant services provider, and D none of the above. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is ISP is B, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, जो कि इंटरनेट सर्विसेज के लिए यूज किया जाता है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 70 is here on your screen. For entering personal and financial information for online transactions, a URL must begin with A. FTP, B. HTTP, C. HTTPS, and D. Any of these. Your time starts now. So the correct answer for entering personal and financial information for online transaction, a URL must begin with C. HTTPS, that is Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So the question number 18 is on your screen. What is IM? A. Instant mailing, B. Immediate messaging, C. Instant messaging, and D. None of the above. So your time starts now. सो देखिए, व्हाट इज़ आई मीन्स इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. जैसे कि आप लोग ऑनलाइन चैटिंग वगैरह करते हो, सो उसको इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग कहा जाता है. लेकिन जैसे कि फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, ट्विटर है, देन गूगल हैंगआउट्स आर देयर. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग. दैट इज लाइव and real time chatting is nothing but that instant messaging. So the next question number 19 is here on your screen. Use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to A. Singing, B. Shouting, C. Threatening, and D. Complaining. So your time starts now. So Use of caps lock in chatting should be avoided as it is considered equivalent to shouting the game. जैसे कि caps lock आप लोग chatting में use करते हो, so उसको shouting की तरह, चिल्लाने की तरह consider किया जाएगा. So that's why it should be avoided as it is considered to and equivalent to the shouting. उसको थोड़ा सा arrogant भी कहा जाएगा. Then the next question, that is question number 20, is on your screen. The act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as dash. Your options are A. E-shopping, B. E-ticketing, C. Both A and B, and lastly D. None of the above. So your time starts now. So, the act of buying or reserving tickets online is called as per the name, e-ticketing. So, e-shopping में हम लोग देखा you can buy items online, that is purchase goods online, and you can reserve the tickets online using the e-tickets. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in the next session with new topic. Till then, bye. So the next feature for the plus and iconic subscribers. Yes, we are having the exclusive feature for plus and iconic subscriber, that is raise a hand. So you can now speak to your favorite educator in live class. Yes, obviously you can ask your doubts also. So now you can clear your doubts instantly with an option to have one-to-one discussion with your favorite educator in a live class. So you can participate in quizzes, vivas, and doubt solving sessions to take your exam preparation to the next level, obviously. And you can have the personalized and highly interactive live class experiences. So you can use my code, that is TD Live, for flat 10% off. So Unacademy, let's start it. So friends, Unacademy is freedom to learn offer. So this Independence Day, get the freedom to learn. Yes, this is new offer only for CBSE class 9th. So student, this is the exclusive offer for CBSE class 9. That is, we are pleased to inform you that is our new exclusive offer for our CBSE class 9 learners. That is, if you take up a CBSE class 9 subscription for 2 years, then you will get the subscription of IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC absolutely free. So what is this IIT, JEE, NEET Foundation and NTSC category all about? I will tell you about that. You can build the foundation for the IIT, JEE right from class 9th. So it is having the structured courses that will help you to crack the multiple Olympiads like NTSC, IMO and so on. Yes, obviously, and you can win the great national level scholarships. So you can save students 40% on your subscription price. So this is only for the first 500 CBSE learners, and the offer can be availed using the educator referral code. So you can use my educator referral code, that is TD Live. So just this is the limited time offer, and it is valid from the 11th of August 2021 to the 31st of August 2021. So students gets your subscription now. This is at limited period offer. देखिए दोस्तों, अनअकैडमी हर बार कुछ नया लाने की कोशिश करती है। सो इस बार जी हाँ, आप लोगों को जैसे कि पता होगा, you are having the last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription. So this offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. जी हाँ, हमारी क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन की जो चांस है इट इज गोइंग टू एंड। सो देखिए ऑफर्स कैसे हैं, देखिए सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्यूरेशन, लाइक अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन 12, 15 यानी 8 मंथ्स का है क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का, then you will get that is a free creative corner subscription for 2 months, so whether it is plus or iconic based on your subscription। then अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है 24, 36 and 48 months का, so you will get the free creative corner subscription for 4 months। जी हाँ, 4 महीनों के लिए आपको फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा। सो ये अगर आपका प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपको प्लस का मिलेगा, अगर आपका आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो आपका क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का आइकॉनिक का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो मिलेगा। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज दी, अगर आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन का ड्यूरेशन है फॉर 60, 72 एंड 84 मंथ्स का, इधर फॉर द प्लस और इधर फॉर द आइकॉनिक, सो आपको क्या रहेगा, फ्री क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगा पूरे 6 महीने के लिए, दैट इज टोटली फ्री। प्लस का है तो प्लस का मिलेगा, आइकॉनिक का है तो आपको आइकॉनिक का 6 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है टोटली फ्री मिलेगा। सो हरी अप, इट इज लिमिटेड पीरियड टाइम ऑफर and you can use my code that is given here, that is TD Live, to get the free subscription also for the Creative Corner. So this is your last chance to win free Creative Corner subscription, and the offer is going to end on 23rd of the August 2021. So choice is yours. So with an Academy subscription, you will get, with one subscription comes the great benefits, like you will get the unlimited access to 7 subjects, 7 सब्जेक्ट्स को आपको अनलिमिटेड एक्सेस मिलेगा, एंड यू विल गेट द इंडियाज टॉप एजुकेटर्स टू चूज फ्रॉम। ऑब्वियसली आपको पूरा सिलेबस मिलेगा, यू विल गेट द फुल सिलेबस फॉर NCERT and as well as dedicated plus courses। and yes, obviously without Unacademy subscription you will be having a lot of confusion, so jaldi kijiye students, choice is after all yours। so subscribe now before it is too late। so the next exams are I think just 2 months, right? So you can get the 10% discount on using the educator referral code, so please use my educator referral code, that is TDLive, so to get the 10% discount। so jaldi kijiye, hurry up, the time is getting over। So friends, we are having the mega launch every Mondays, as you know। So here we are having the Laksh Foundation batch for IIT and JEE aspirants। सो ये बैच किसी लिए, देखिए फॉर CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए भी है एंड CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए। एंड यस, पहले हम लोग देखते हैं CBSE क्लास 9 के लिए। इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st ऑफ द अगस्त 2021। 31st अगस्त को ये बैच स्टार्ट होगी, एंड वी आर हैविंग द सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक मैथ्स एंड साइंस विद द एक्सपर्ट टीचर्स। Yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing and NCERT exercises also। एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप लोग IIT JEE के एस्पिरेंट्स हो फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, सो यहाँ पर भी आपकी जो लक्ष्य फाउंडेशन बैच है वो 31st अगस्त 2021 को स्टार्ट हो रही है। सो वी आर हैविंग द स्पेशल स्ट्रेचेस फॉर द मैथ्स एज वेल एज द साइंस। तो देखिए मैथ्स की जो डेट है वो 1 सितंबर को स्टार्ट होती है, एंड साइंस इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन द 31st ऑफ अगस्त 2021। सो वैसे ही CBSE क्लास 10 के लिए IIT JEE एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक और CBSE क्लास 10 की बैच रहेगी, दैट इज लक्स फाउंडेशन बैच। इट इज फॉर मैथ्स, इट इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑन 17th of September 2021, and for science it is going to start on 31st of August 2021। so yes, obviously you are having the new batches for doubt clearing sessions and NCERT exercises। so students जो obviously class 9th and 10th के IIT and JEE के लिए interested हैं, they are having the golden chance for it। and yes, you can use my code, that is TDLive, for flat 10% off discount। so that is बात की students, join our new Laksh Foundation batches। So friends, let me tell you about the basic about the plus subscription। एंड ऑल्सो द एडवांस प्लान ऑफ द बेसिक, दैट इज आइकॉनिक जो है ये प्लस का जो है एडवांस वर्जन रहेगा. देखिए प्लस में जो यू आर गोइंग टू हैव द बेसिक प्लान टू गेट स्टार्टेड. And yes, obviously at Iconic, you can take your CBSE preparation to the next level with personal mentor. देखिए प्लस के फीचर्स क्या क्या है. यू आर हैविंग द इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स एज वेल एज द इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड PDFs also. एंड इन आइकॉनिक में क्या रहेगा, प्लस के जो फीचर्स है वो सारे के सारे रहेंगे और उसके साथ आइकॉनिक में आपको एडिशनल फीचर्स भी मिलेंगे. देखिए यहाँ पर भी इंडियाज बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स रहेंगे, देन इंटरैक्टिव लाइव क्लासेस, देन लाइव टेस्ट्स एंड क्विजेस, देन यू आर हैविंग द स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोर्सेस एंड PDFs आल्सो. सो यहाँ पर एडिशनल क्या है आइकॉनिक में, देखिए द पर्सनल मेंटर इज देयर टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. यू आर हैविंग द लाइव डाउट सॉल्यूशंस, लाइव इंटरेक्शन विथ योर मेंटर्स आल्सो, एंड यस ऑब्वियसली पेरेंट कनेक्ट भी यहाँ पर रहेगा, दैट इज टीचर पेरेंट कनेक्शन रहेगा यहाँ पर. एंड आपको आइकॉनिक का स्पेशल स्टडी पैनल जो है वो भी मिलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज माई कोड दैट इज स्टडी लाइव फॉर फ्लैट 10% of discount for both, that is on the plus and iconic solutions. So you can select the plus or iconic based on your choices. So उसके plans कैसे देखिए, अगर आप लोग CBSE का क्लास 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का लोगे तो ज़्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा. अगर क्लास 10 का लोगे तो 10th, 11th, 12th आपको साथ में मिल जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन का. तो यहाँ पर देखिए पहले हम लोग प्लस का देख लेते हैं. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग द 3 month सब्सक्रिप्शन देन यू हैव टू पे 7,500 for the 3 months, that is 2,500 for per month. Now if you are having the 6 month subscription then you are have to pay 10,000 for the 6 months, that is flat 33% off. Then if you are having the 12 month subscription then you are going to pay 15,000, that is 1,250 per month. If you are going for the 15 month subscription then you will have to pay 18,000. If you are going for the 18 months then you will have to pay 20,000, that is 1,111 per month. Now if you are going for the 24 month subscription then you will have to pay 25,000 for the 24 months, that is 1,042 per month. If you are going for 36 months then you will have to pay 32,000 for whole 36 months and 889 per month. If you are going for the 48 month subscription उसमें आपको क्या लगेगा 40,000, 40,000 जो है पूरा का पूरा पैकेज रहेगा एंड 830 will be for per month. देखिए आज जितना आप लोग ज़्यादा पैकेज लोगे उतना ही आपका बेनिफिट और डिस्काउंट जो है वो बढ़ता जाएगा. सो बेसिक क्लास का 9, 10th, 11th, 12th का आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन देखिए the same case for 3 months, 6 months, 12, 15, 18, 24, 36 and 40 months. देखिए यहाँ पर 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है वो 12,000 को रहेगा with 4,000 per month. Then next one is 6 months, 17,000 रहेगा with 2,833 per month. Then 12 months का रहेगा 28,000. Then 15 months का रहेगा 32,000. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000. 24 months का रहेगा 48,000. 36 months का रहेगा 66,000 and 48 months का रहेगा 83,000, that is 1,729 per month. सो वैसे अभी आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो, क्लास 10th, 11th और 12th का सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लस के लिए देख लीजिए. 3 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन आपके लिए रहेगा 7,500 रुपीज़ के लिए. 6 month का रहेगा 10,000 के लिए. 12 months का रहेगा 15,000 के लिए. 15 months का जो है आपके लिए रहेगा 18,000 के लिए. देन 18 months का आपके लिए रहेगा 20,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 25,000 के लिए. एंड लास्टली 36 month का जो है वो 32,000 के लिए रहेगा. And the same case for the iconic, that is for class 10th, 11th and 12th subscription, that is 3 months का रहेगा आपके लिए 12,000, then 6 months का 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 15 months का 32,000, that is 2,133 per month. 18 months का रहेगा 35,000 के लिए एंड 24 months का रहेगा 48,000 के लिए. ऑब्वियसली वैसे क्या रहेगा 36 months का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है लास्टली वो रहेगा 66,000 के, that is 1,833 per month with 54% discount. And yes, obviously you can use my code, that is TD Live for flat 10% ऑफ डिस्काउंट. सो स्टूडेंट जल्द से जल्द आपका जो सब्सक्रिप्शन दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर चैट दैट इज प्लस और आइकॉनिक, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करके लीजिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, हर बार की तरह इस बार भी अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक ला रही है. जी हाँ, वी आर इंट्रोड्यूसिंग इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप ट्रस्ट वंस अगेन, अनअकैडमी मेगा कॉम्बैक. सो इस बार you can win the scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. So link is given in the description box. It's obviously this Unacademy Mega Compact is on every Sunday and you can use my code that is TDLive for the educator referral codes. So देखिए Unacademy Mega Compact बहुत से आप स्टूडेंट्स ने दिए होंगे, कुछ ने नहीं दिए होंगे. So let me tell you about that. So Unacademy Mega Compact Scholarship Tips, that is formula for your success in CBSE classes 9 and 10. You can win one scholarship worth rupees 2 crore. देखिए लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जो ले लिए थे बैचेस उसके 1 करोड़ के थे. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग द 2 करोड़ स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर्स. सो आपकी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ यू कैन विन द प्राइजेस आल्सो. एंड दिस मेगा कॉम्बैट स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट आर फॉर सीबीएसई क्लासेस 9th एंड क्लास 10. सो डेट लिख लीजिए. द अपकमिंग मेगा कॉम्बैक्ट इज ऑन August 29th 2021 at 11 AM. सो एनरोल ऑनलाइन लिंक जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे चुके हैं हम लोग पहले से ही. सो उसका फॉर्मेट देखिए कैसा रहेगा. यू विल बी हैविंग 30 क्वेश्चंस एंड 45 मिनट्स फॉर दैट. 30 questions and you are having the 45 minutes to solve this. The test will be obviously available in Hindi as well as English language. Both languages में आपको टेस्ट अवेलेबल रहेगी, हिंदी में भी और इंग्लिश में भी. And test will be live. It will be the free live test on your Android application. So जल्दी कीजिए and enroll now for Unacademy Mega Compact. डेट लिख लीजिए August 29 at 11 AM. So you can have the flat 10% off on Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription. You can use my code that is TDLive for both Plus and Iconic subscription with flat 10%. And you can download the Unacademy app now. Get it on the Google Play Store and you can download it on the Apple Play Store also. Try it all of the features for free using my code that is TDLive. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Unacademy, let's crack it.